Well, this is going to be Cockoo Clock restoration. This was give to me where it don't even have the hands, and they're not in the bag. It's in pretty bad shape. Horns are broke off, ears broke off. I like the guns. I may have to take this off. Got one horn. I don't have the other horn. I got the ear. The chains are rusty. But look at the weights. They're in really bad shape. Gonna have to put them in that wood bleach. Gonna have to make some new hands for it. The lease broke. I got it. The only good thing about it, the insides look really good. Something's broke here. So I don't know the theme of this. Some kind of a hunting scene. I'll have to take the chains off and clean those. I think it's been in some kind of moisture or something. See the water stain there? See, the insides look good as far as I can tell. Needs to be dusted. Okay, I've got that. Well, wish me luck. I'll put another video up when it's done, or maybe halfway. I'm pretty sure it's from the 50s or maybe early 60s. I'm only guessing here. But I know it's from Germany. That's where it came from. Okay. Okay, I just found the tag for it. It says made in Switzerland. At the very bottom. That gives me something to go with. Well, I found out a few things. The movement was made in Switzerland. They're good at making watches, ain't they? And the clock was made in Germany. The wood part. And it's got a music box for it inside it. And it worked for a little bit. Needs to be oiled and cleaned up inside. I think it's going to work. All I did is got the weights cleaned up, but it seems to want to work. I don't know what I'm going to do about those chains though. They're in really bad shape. Just stopped. I bet it worked for about a minute though.